What the hell is up, everybody? My name is Izzy and I'm here today to show you how to use Pulp Riot Semi Permanent colors whenever you're in a little bit of a pickle with color. Here I have my beautiful model Sabrina, and as you can tell, her hair is looking just a little sad. She has like a month-ish of grow out, and so I'm so excited to retouch up her roots and also alter her color. As you can see, her ends are really faded, and so what I ended up doing after lightening her roots, I went through with blank canvas and 6 volume and a couple pumps of shampoo at the bowl for about 20 minutes and really, with her hair. What I ended up doing at her base was using dark matter and sorcery, and then I went into sorcery with ice skater and nightfall for her mid shaft, and then on her ends I actually just only ended up using lemon because they were so light blue and weird looking. I just kind of utilized the color wheel to make my job easier. For these super sad looking extensions, we actually only ended up using leftover lemon and a couple bloops of ice skater. So after about 45 minutes of processing, we rinsed her hair, and you can see that her hair is no longer sad looking and it's nice and hydrated. So sometimes you can utilize your color wheel with what is in your cabinet to create a beautiful color and not overthink things. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate you hanging out with me today. Once again, my name is Izzy. That's Izzy Mifflin on Instagram. And now you can go forth and create all your little green goblins.